Of Coast Atlantis, I never filmed, so this is the first time you get to see it. So there you go. That's the light. Really like that seashell design to it. That's low.
What's nice about it is it's sealed, so it's a wet-rated outdoor fan.
Yup, it is.
Same as the Centurion.
Yep. Centurion I filmed earlier, so. Yeah, this one's an outdoor fan too, so it's like you can put outside.
It makes the steam. Are you operating?
No. However, let's go to medium. There's medium, of course. Very fast. You feel the breeze?
Yes. It is steam.
That's medium. Here's the light again. Very, very powerful fan. Definitely would help when you're outside on a patio. And of course, high speed is insanely powerful, as expected. Probably 188 in there. Figured.
188 by 20.
Yep.
So one step down. It's so
And very powerful. So yeah, that's it.